What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video, ooh, I hit the mic. And the title of the video is Man Threatens Cops, Ends Up Crying for Mommy. Come on. We know they gonna cry for their mama, man. We know when they get in trouble, they gonna call my mama. Like, I gotta call mom, see what mom talking about. Like, she could get you out of this jam. But anyway, let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
I will break your ass up out here. Come on, shoot me. My brother did shoot me. Shoot me.
Illinois cops were called to a man causing a disturbance. Here's what happened when he threatened the responding officer.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's going on?
What's up?
You need to chill out.
What's up?
You're gonna get tased.
Come on.
You need to fucking calm down right
Come
now.
on.
Come over here and
I'm
put
ready
your
to die,
hands.
bro. Come on, my brother got killed. I'm ready. What's
One
up?
guy's advised
Shoot.
he's ready to die.
Shoot.
He's very upset.
Shoot me.
to have a taser
Can
for
I
him.
ask you what's going on?
Come over here and put your hands up against the hood.
I put my hands up.
Over here.
Don't up on me no more, though.
Keep him on the hood.
Tase me. Kill me. My brother got killed.
I
Kill
understand.
me.
I know
I'm right
that.
here. Kill me.
Okay.
Kill me. Pull your gun out and kill me. Pull your gun out and kill me. I don't have nothing on me.
Lay down on the ground.
I'm not laying down shit. Put me on the ground. Shoot. Come on. Shoot me. My brother did shoot me. Shoot
I'm
me.
just keeping this guy
I've been
tased.
shot.
Get
I've been shot.
someone
I've been
here to get
shot.
him out.
Look. I've been
Go on.
shot. Shoot me. Shoot me. My brother did. I don't give a fuck about nothing. Shoot me. It's a tase. I've been shot before. I'm gonna fall out and bust my head open. I'm not gonna harm you. I asked you what's going on over here.
I'm trying to
Man,
figure
fuck
it
you,
out,
don't
but
talk
you're
to me.
distracting me, man.
Talk to me. You're going nowhere.
Yeah, no, you are going somewhere. You need to come right here.
What you mean I'm gonna
Get
go
over
where?
here before I put you on the
This
ground.
bitch surgical. You're not gonna put me on the ground.
Then come over here.
You bring me my rights before you put me on.
Come
the
over
ground.
to the front of the
I
car.
will break your ass up out here.
Come over here
Oh
in front of the
my-
car.
I will break you up out here.
You need to come to the front of the car. Get the fucking ground.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Put your hands on your feet.
Ah, this nigga pussy. He's scary, son. Yeah, all bark, no bite, man. This is a clear example of all bark, no bite, man. You see, soon as that taser hit him, soon as he hit him with that act right. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, he screamed. He screamed. Cop not playing with you, boy. He just said, what? I'll break you up out here. Oh, bet. I bet.
Get over here before I put you
This
on the
bitch
ground.
surgical. You're not gonna put me on the ground.
Then come over here.
You bring me my rights before you put me on.
Come
the
over
ground.
to the front of the
I
car.
will break your ass up out here.
Come over here in front of the car.
I will break you up out here.
You need to come to the front of the car.
Get him right. Act right, boy. What you thought this was?
I'm sorry.
Put your hands on your feet. Put your hands on your
Act right. What you thought this was?
I'm sorry, bro. No, my brother pushed me about. Garcia. Garcia, call the ambulance. Mama, call the ambulance. I can't breathe. Mama.
I can't breathe.
I didn't mean no harm.
I know, but when you're balling up your fist saying you're going to beat my ass, I have
No,
no
I'm
choice.
not gonna beat your ass.
Well, I know you're not now.
He saved me. He saved me so I can't breathe, bro.
Okay.
He supposed to shoot me one time and I fall out. He kept on.
Hey, listen. I'm going to pull this out of you, okay? You ready? He's mad.
Jay,
I pull up this
Jay,
dude
I love you, bro.
motherfucker telling me he's ready for me to
Jay,
die. He's
I
balling up
love
his
you.
fist.
Janet, bro, you made me bad.
He's balling up his fist telling me he's going to fuck me up.
You made me bad, bro. Mama,
He
come
gonna
look.
break
He
you
shot
up
me in
out
my
here.
heart, bro. Mom. That's why he pulled the taser out because he don't want the doctor to see it. Mom, come look. Go there.
This is your mom?
Mom, come
He
look.
shot me behind. Look. Come record this.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Mom,
They told me
he shot me in my heart.
Is that
Look,
what's going on?
come record this. No, come record this, Bob. Come record.
What's going on, dude?
He hit me in my heart, bro.
You wanna
Me
stand
and my
up?
little brother got in an argument. I just asked what was going on. Come record it.
You guys standing them up? Yeah, that's what
He hit me in my heart, look. He hit me in my heart, look. It's right here by my phone.
All right.
He hit me in my heart. He shot me in my heart. And then you kept me. He kept me. Mom! He hit me in my heart. He's bleeding. Look. I was arguing with my brother. I would never fight the police, bro.
Okay. Have a seat, all right? Come on. I'm not kind of fight for
No,
you.
come on, man.
You want to stand up, dude? Flopping on the ground, complaining of the taser injuries.
Drinking and everything.
I got that.
Continue, come here.
Roll back over, dude.
Continue.
Sit
Continue.
up.
I'm on the ground. Continue, come here.
Sit up.
He hit me in my heart, bro.
You're fine. We got an ambulance coming, dude.
All right, well, leave me alone till the ambulance comes.
Okay. Ma'am, I got on my car, talked to you, and he walked to me, clenched his fist, told me he was ready to die, he was going to beat my ass.
No, I didn't.
Then he walked away.
If I would have beat your ass, I would have did.
It's on camera. No, I'm going to beat your ass.
But why you hold it tight?
So,
You can't try to kill me.
Ah, here we go. This is why this guy acts the way he does. Are you gonna hold your son accountable for his actions, or are you just gonna enable him? Come on, man.
so you can stay over there and we'll talk to you.
Bro, get me up. Get me up, bro. Get me up.
All right.
Get me up.
He's on the car. Get him in the car.
I ain't no drug shit, bitch. You had to tase me, bitch, cause I beat you. On vice lord, bitch.
Hey, sit in the car.
No, my heart fucked up. I'm not.
Sit in the car.
I need an ambulance.
Sit in the car.
I need an ambulance.
Sit in the car. It's coming. The
He
ambulance
shot
is
me in my
coming.
heart. Record it.
The ambulance is
No,
coming.
look
We're going to
at
get in the car.
Look at my heart.
I know. Now
He
you're
shot
bleeding on me, man.
I got a bad heart,
The
bro.
ambulance is coming. Get in the car.
I got a bad heart.
Sit in the car.
Just sit down, for he ain't beat your ass. He's
You have an ID on you?
I don't have shit. My name is Kendrick Javon Rogers. I got my rights, bro. I'm waiting on
Yeah,
ambulance.
you under arrest, so just get in.
You shot me in my chest, bro.
I didn't shoot you in the chest. I did.
Yes, you did. You heard me, bro. You shot me in the chest for at least 2 minutes, bro.
Up against my
My
leg.
heart is fucked
For
up,
at
bro.
least 2
I can't
minutes.
sit in here. I didn't stand. I'm not finna disarm you. I'm not finna do nothing. Put my face to your window and let me go. Bro, he shot me in my heart, bro, for at least almost a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
5 seconds.
No, dude, you hold that. You healed that, bro. He shot me in my heart, bro, for at least a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
I understand
Yeah,
that.
somebody was over here he was arguing with. I just was scared trying to put it
Okay,
to leave.
let me speak with you over here. If you guys,
I got tased from over
they're good here. Let me. Yeah, taste because he said you were trying to fight.
I'm not gonna fight. Come on, bro. I'm a nigga.
Are you the one that knows Wilmore from the very?
The officer, still shocked by how quickly this situation escalated, must now explain his actions to his supervisors.
So I fuck before I was seen. I'm staring at the house while I'm rolling up, and I get out of my car. Out of nowhere, I hear his voice. He's over by this RV. As soon as I get out of my fucking car, he's up in the street, balling up his fist. He's slapping himself. I mean, he's amped up. He's fucking shooting. Pull out your gun, fucking kill me right now. I'm gonna beat your ass. I was like, dude, I just pulled out my taser. You fucking put your hands on the hood of his car, waiting for him to get here. And I was like, we're just gonna fuck shit him. So you put your hand on the fucking hood of the car. So he puts him up there, and the whole time he just keeps talking, and then he starts moving around. And I put my taser away, and he starts walking away. I was like, no, you need to fucking come over here. He goes, all right, fuck, come over here. So then we're standing right here in the middle of the street. And he's clenching his fist. He's like, I'm going to beat your ass. So he's telling me he's going to beat my ass. He's clenching his fist. So I was like, fuck it. I just pulled it out and popped him. Okay. Which I did hit him about right here. Okay. And right here. So, okay. Probably wasn't the best. But he went down on the ground, and at that point, he started crying. Put him in the cuffs.
Back to Kendrick, who's not done with the theatrics.
I like that, officer. That was a pretty good, because a lot of times in the heat of the moment, officers have a hard time of reenacting what actually happened just because there's a lot going on. But that officer did a pretty good job of, recalling the events that led up to him getting tased and flopping around like a fish and everything. So he did a pretty good job.
Just yet. He's claiming the officer tased him for more than 5 seconds.
Yeah, you bleeding, yeah.
Oh, it's your blood, man.
Yeah. He shouldn't shot me in my motherfucking heart. She shot me in my stomach or something.
Is this your mom back here, man?
Yeah, that's my lady right there. Somebody came disrespecting her. It was a fucking black dude, and I bugged up on him. And she told me to stop. I didn't want to stop. That's why y'all here right now.
Okay.
Where's he at now? He leave?
He went down that way. I don't know. He probably gone by now. How long he had that taser shocking me, bro? This is the first time I haven't been tased, and I've been in jail for 20 years straight. I never been tased before.
You don't know who the guy was?
I don't know. No, I don't know him. He pulled my pants up though. My pants dropping and shit.
Please don't get your ID.
Yeah, bro.
You want me to help you pull your pants up?
Yeah, yeah. You good, bro? I'm not finna harm you, bro. My dick showing.
Alright, well, that's why I was asking. If you want me to do that or you
It
don't
was a
want
dude that came over here disrespecting my mama.
Clear warrant. Huh? Kendrick. Kendrick Lamar.
Right here and up here. Oh, okay, they still embedded or no?
My heart hurt right now. And then he held it. He held it while I was on the ground.
Okay.
Just a 5-second deployment.
No, it was over 5
They
seconds.
removed the darts on scene.
I got,
He has a
bro,
firearm.
I got it on video. It's way more than 5 seconds, big dog.
It may have seemed like
Okay,
it
so-
only goes for 5
My
seconds.
sister recorded. It's more than 5 seconds. So what y'all want to do?
What's your name, bud?
My name Kendrick Devon Rogers. More than 5 seconds, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. You gotta be more cautious what y'all do to me, bro. I start seeing stars pop. Hey, so going to jail?
We'll talk with you in a second.
Going
man.
to jail for what,
He's got
though?
Miranda. You do all that.
As we can see from his rap sheet, Kendrick has a long history of criminal behavior. For today's antics, he was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, and as a result of his actions, he was sentenced to 2 years and 6 months in prison. I release brand new.
Wow. Aggravated assault got 2 years. Yeah, but it say suspended though. That means it's over his head. Like if he mess up, then. But yeah, let's see. Damn. Wow, look how young he looked. Who told him to get that tattoo on his face? Golly. The one on the cheek, like. Damn, look how young he looked. On the bottom photos, he looked young.
We'll talk with you in a second.
Going
man.
to jail for what,
He's got
though?
Miranda. You do all that.
As we can see from his rap sheet, Kendrick has a long history of criminal behavior. For today's antics, he was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, and as a result of his actions, he was sentenced to 2 years and 6 months in prison. I release brand new unseen.
Yeah, but I don't know if he was actually sentenced to that or if they put it suspended. Because suspended, see, because this say suspended 2.6 years jail time. So that's when it's held over your head. You know what I mean? Like, you know, if you mess up or whatever, then, you know, they're going to send you to jail for the full thing or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I think the cop did pretty well. I give him 4 out of 5, honestly. He got his ass together. Shit. Had that motherfucker screaming for mommy. He tight.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.